Many are sick through ignorance, and so what I'd like to do is I'd like to show you what some of the causes are and how you can get a turnaround in arthritis, whether it be osteo, rheumatoid arthritis, and also gout. And that's the good news. There can be a turnaround, and we've seen many conquer these things.
So instead of relying only on medication, try adding these 3 powerful plant proteins to your meals. They're known to calm inflammation, ease stiffness, and support long-term joint health. Most people end up relying on shelves full of painkillers, creams, and prescriptions that only mask the problem for a few hours. But what if I told you there's a better way? One that doesn't come from a pill bottle, but from your very own kitchen. See, arthritis doesn't just affect your joints, it affects your life. The way you move, the way you sleep, even how you feel when you wake up. But here's something most doctors rarely talk about. What you eat can either feed inflammation or fight it. And today I want to show you 3 powerful, natural, and affordable plant-based proteins that can help soothe joint pain, calm inflammation, and bring real relief. The kind that helps you feel like yourself again. These aren't fancy supplements or expensive powders, they're simple foods that have been quietly healing people for centuries. So if you're tired of just managing pain and want to start healing your body naturally, this video is for you. So before we dive in, do me a quick favor. If you care about your health and want to take back control from arthritis, type "I am ready" in the comments. And hit that like and subscribe button. It helps this video reach more people who need it. And don't forget to tap the notification bell so you never miss our next health guide. Now let's begin with the first powerhouse food, the food that might already be sitting in your kitchen cabinet. But first, tell me in the comments, what's been your biggest struggle with arthritis so far? The pain, the stiffness, or mobility? I'd love to know before we go deeper. Lentils, the hidden powerhouse for joint relief. Now let's start with the first on our list, lentils. I know they're not flashy. They don't come with colorful packaging or celebrity endorsements, but here's the truth. When it comes to joint health and inflammation, lentils are one of the most powerful and affordable foods you can put on your plate. If you've been struggling with stiffness, swelling, or those painful mornings where your body just refuses to move freely, this tiny legume might just become your new best friend. Let's break it down. Your body needs protein to rebuild tissues, especially your muscles, which support and protect your joints. But here's where most people go wrong. The usual go-to proteins like red meat can actually worsen inflammation. That's like adding fuel to a fire you're trying to put out. Lentils, on the other hand, give you all the protein you need without triggering that inflammation. They work with your body, not against it. But that's just the beginning. Lentils are rich in magnesium, one of the most overlooked minerals in the fight against arthritis. Think of magnesium as nature's built-in muscle relaxer. It helps calm stiffness, reduces muscle tension, and even eases nerve pain. If you often wake up feeling tired or slow to move, low magnesium could be one silent reason. Then there's potassium, another game changer. Too much sodium in your diet causes water retention and swelling in your joints. Lentils help flush that out naturally, reducing puffiness and pressure so you can move more freely. Less swelling means less pain, plain and simple. And let's talk about fiber, something most people underestimate. When your blood sugar spikes, your body releases inflammatory chemicals that make joint pain worse. The fiber in lentils slows that process, keeping your energy and blood sugar stable. The result? Calmer inflammation, smoother movement, and less discomfort throughout the day. But here's one more secret most people miss. Folate, also known as vitamin B9. Folate helps lower something called homocysteine in your blood, an amino acid linked to inflammation and joint pain. By eating lentils regularly, you're literally lowering your body's internal stress level and giving your joints the break they deserve. Now, let's make it practical. Lentils are incredibly easy to prepare. You can toss them into soups, stews, or curries, chill them for salads, or even use them as a protein base for tacos or veggie burgers. They don't require overnight soaking. They cook fast, about 20 to 30 minutes. And they're gentle on your stomach. No bloating, no heaviness, just pure nourishment. And if you want to make them even more powerful, combine them with anti-inflammatory ingredients like spinach, turmeric, or a dash of black pepper. A squeeze of lemon juice adds vitamin C, which helps your body absorb nutrients even better. When you do that, you're not just eating, you're healing. So the next time you're at the grocery store, don't overlook that small bag of lentils. It might not look exciting, but it's a quiet warrior against pain, swelling, and stiffness. Sometimes the simplest foods hold the biggest power. Now, a question for you. Have you ever tried lentils before? Or would you be open to adding them to your meals a few times a week? Drop a yes in the comments if you're ready to give your joints some love. Chickpeas, the anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Next up, let's talk about chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans. They may look humble, but inside these golden orbs is a nutritional force that can completely change how your joints feel and function. Here's what makes chickpeas so special. They're packed with plant-based protein, which helps rebuild muscles and tissues that protect your joints. If you're trying to reduce or avoid red meat, chickpeas are your best friend. They keep your body strong without triggering inflammation. But the real magic lies in their anti-inflammatory compounds. Chickpeas are rich in something called polyphenols, powerful plant antioxidants that help neutralize the harmful molecules that cause pain and stiffness. Think of them as tiny shields, protecting your joints from daily wear and tear. Now let's talk about fiber, because chickpeas are loaded with it. High fiber doesn't just support digestion, it also helps your body control blood sugar. Why is that important? Because when your blood sugar spikes, your body releases inflammatory chemicals that make arthritis worse. Chickpeas help balance that, keeping inflammation calm and steady. And then comes magnesium and zinc, two minerals chickpeas carry in abundance. Magnesium relaxes your muscles and nerves, easing tension and reducing stiffness. Zinc, on the other hand, plays a vital role in repairing cartilage and connective tissues, the very parts that arthritis tries to wear down. Together, they act like a repair team for your joints, constantly rebuilding what daily life tries to break. Here's something most people don't know. Chickpeas also contain saponins. These are plant compounds that help reduce joint swelling and protect against cartilage damage. They even help your immune system regulate itself, preventing it from attacking your own joint tissues, a common problem in autoimmune arthritis. Now, let's make this practical. You can enjoy chickpeas in so many ways. They're one of the most flexible foods out there. You can boil them and sprinkle some olive oil, black pepper, and lemon for a quick anti-inflammatory snack, or blend them into hummus, mix with garlic, tahini, and olive oil, and spread it on whole grain bread. You can even roast them in the oven for a crunchy, guilt-free bite that replaces processed chips. If you love soups or stews, toss in a handful of chickpeas. They soak up flavor beautifully while giving your meals that protein boost your joints will thank you for. Here's a little tip. Pair chickpeas with turmeric and ginger for a joint-soothing meal. The combination of antioxidants and anti-eliminated compounds works like natural pain relief, but from your kitchen instead of a pharmacy shelf. So remember, if you're dealing with swelling, aching joints, or stiffness that makes even simple movements uncomfortable, don't underestimate chickpeas. They're more than just food. They're medicine from the earth, wrapped in a tiny golden package. Try this. Include chickpeas in at least one meal a day, even a small handful, for a week. You'll be amazed at how much lighter and freer your body begins to feel. the perfect anti-arthritis combo, lentil soup and chickpeas. Combining chickpeas and lentils creates one of the most powerful natural remedies for arthritis. A simple, affordable duo that fights pain, calms inflammation, and rebuilds joint strength from within. Lentils are packed with folate, magnesium, and iron, nutrients that repair tissues, relax muscles, and improve circulation for faster healing. They also contain polyphenols and resistant starch, which feed healthy gut bacteria and balance your immune system, reducing painful flare-ups. When paired with chickpeas, which strengthen muscles and protect joints, you get a complete anti-inflammatory meal that heals your body from the inside out. A simple recipe: cook lentils and chickpeas with garlic, ginger, turmeric, and olive oil, then finish with lemon juice. Each ingredient adds its own healing touch. Turmeric and ginger fight inflammation, lemon boosts absorption, and olive oil lubricates the joints. Eat this combo 3 nights a week, and within 2 weeks, you'll likely feel the difference. Less stiffness, smoother movement, and lighter steps, all powered by real, natural food instead of pills. This isn't just about pain relief, it's about reclaiming mobility, energy, and confidence in your body again. So tell me in the comments, will you try this lentil and chickpea combo for a week? Or do you already cook something similar at home? I'd love to know how you make it your own. The secret role of spices that heal arthritis naturally. When it comes to relieving arthritis pain naturally, spices are often overlooked. Yet they're some of the most powerful natural healers you can find. At the root of arthritis is inflammation, and that's exactly what these spices target. Turmeric, known for its golden compound curcumin, is one of nature's strongest anti-inflammatories, proven to work as effectively as ibuprofen, but without side effects. When combined with black pepper, curcumin's absorption skyrockets, turning it into a potent natural remedy. Ginger is another star. Its gingerols reduce swelling and protect the cartilage that cushions your joints, easing pain and stiffness. Cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar and boost circulation, delivering nutrients to your joints for faster healing. And garlic doesn't just flavor your meals. It lowers inflammation, strengthens immunity, and protects joints from damage. Together, these everyday spices form a powerful, natural defense against arthritis pain, healing your body from the inside out. Here's the best part. You don't need to eat these spices in massive amounts. You can simply add them to your meals. Stir turmeric and pepper into soups or rice. Add ginger to your tea or smoothies. Sprinkle cinnamon over oatmeal or yogurt. Crush garlic into your lentil or chickpea dishes. These simple daily habits build up healing from the inside out. You're not just seasoning your food, you're seasoning your joints for strength. You'll notice the pain easing up, your fingers moving more freely, your knees feeling lighter. That's not luck. That's food, doing what medicine was meant to do. So tell me in the comments, what's your favorite spice to cook with? Is it ginger, turmeric, or something your grandma used to swear by? Let's see which one wins the title of nature's best painkiller, the final truth, and foods that destroy collagen and worsen joint pain. Here's the truth. No matter how much bone broth or collagen you take, if you're eating the wrong foods, you're undoing all your progress. Let's start with the biggest villain, sugar. It stiffens your collagen through a process called glycation, making your joints ache and your skin age faster. Cut out sodas, pastries, and sugary snacks completely. Next, processed oils like canola, soybean, and corn oil. They trigger inflammation that attacks your joints from the inside. Replace them with olive oil, coconut oil, or avocado oil instead. Alcohol and refined carbs are another silent threat. They weaken collagen and inflame your body, slowing recovery. Stick to water, herbal teas, and whole grains like quinoa or oats. And don't forget artificial sweeteners. They harm your gut, blocking nutrient absorption. A weak gut means weak collagen. If you want real results, focus not just on what you add to your diet, but what you remove. No 14-day reset. No sugar, no junk, no processed oils, just clean, collagen-supporting foods. You'll feel lighter, stronger, and more flexible in just 2 weeks. Now tell me in the comments, what's the first food you're cutting out today to protect your joints? Thank you so much for watching, and if this helped you, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And remember, stay strong, stay healthy, and keep rebuilding from the inside out.